Pause, you have Glenda Williford. Good morning.
Thought I saw somebody spill some coffee earlier.
It wasn't me, somebody spilled it on my stuff.
Good morning, ma'am. Are you Glenda Williford? And Mr. Rojas, will your client waive the formal reading of the motion?
She will, Your Honor.
Give me just a second to get that pulled up.
Our agreement, Your Honor, is for her to go into special needs safety.
Thank you. Sorry, it's taking a minute for my computer to get pulled up here. Okay, so Ms. Williford, in cause number 24, DCCR 1720, I have a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. It shows that you were placed on probation December 3rd of 2024 for the second-degree felony offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, and that was a 5-year deferred probation. Is that correct? It alleges that you violated your probation. Count 1 alleges that...
We've agreed to go on counts 3, 4, 7, and 8.
Thank you. 3, 4, 7, 8. Count 3 alleges that you provided a urine sample August 14th of 2025 that tested positive for tetrahydrocannabinol. Is that true or not true?
Yes.
True or not true? Count 4 alleges that you provided a urine sample September 18th of 2025 that also tested positive for tetrahydrocannabinol. Is that true or not true? Count 7 alleges that you failed to provide verification of entering and successfully completing the anger management program. Is that true or not true?
Sure.
And then count 8 alleges that you are behind in your court-assessed fees as of September 18th, 2025 in the amount of $688. And is that true or not true? Did you enter your pleas of true to counts 3, 4, 7, and 8 freely and voluntarily? And did you plead true to those counts because they're actually true? I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Rojas? Do you fully understand them?
Yes.
And do you understand if I follow this agreement that you've made with the district attorney that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes.
Speak up, please.
Yes, ma'am.
And it looks like the agreement that you've reached is to remain on probation, but enter and successfully complete the special needs safety program. Is that your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
And we've got probation here with us today. And is that the recommendation from probation as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I am inclined, if I follow this agreement, to extend the probation by some amount of time, just based on the allegations and the time that'll be spent there. So I want to make sure there's plenty of time after that she has still on probation. State tenders number 1.
No objection.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Ms. Williford is not competent?
There you go.
All right, ma'am, I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true to counts 3, 4, 7, and 8 freely and voluntarily. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty and revoke your probation, but I'm not going to do that today. It looks like there's some, everybody's willing to work with you, but I want to make sure you understand that we're going to send you to the special needs safety program as a condition of your probation. I'm going to extend your probation by 1 year, and this is going to be, hopefully, listen carefully to what I'm saying, okay? Because this is the second chance you're being given, and there will not be a third. So you need to take advantage of every opportunity that is being given to you. You're going to get help with drug abuse. You're going to get help with mental health, with everything you need to be successful when you get out of safety. If at that point you don't follow through and do what you're supposed to do, you're going to be back in here and you're going to be looking at going to prison for up to 20 years. You understand? You okay? Are you okay? You're getting white. She's getting white.
I had a statement prepared for you, explaining the only reason I was doing marijuana at the time was because of my cancer, my pain management for cancer. And I will promise you on Jesus' happy golden good soul that I will never touch the shit again if you let me go home.
Are you seriously going to stand here and talk
No.
like that?
No, ma'am, I didn't mean to. I'm terrified. I'm so sorry, ma'am. I just didn't realize how much trouble I'll get into.
You're on probation for a second-degree felony, an aggravated assault with a deadly weapon.
Yes, ma'am. I realize that. I was trying to.
There's all kinds of other ways to deal with issues, and there's definitely more respectful ways to speak to the person who could put you in prison for up to 20 years. I don't have to go along with this plea agreement right now.
I'm so sorry.
Okay. I'm handing you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. Go back with the bailiff.
Actually, that went better than I thought it would, actually.
Really?
This is one of those times it's great to have off camera.
Oh.
She's never seen me. I'm literally biting my tongue.
You just never know.
Jesus is what?
I mean, you use the F word and Jesus in the same sentence. I feel like that's a problem.
She said friggin'.
Well,
You know what she meant.
I know what she meant.
This case highlights how probation violations can place a defendant at serious risk of incarceration, while also showing the court's willingness to provide rehabilitation opportunities when appropriate. The judge found sufficient evidence to revoke probation based on the admitted violations, including positive marijuana tests, failure to complete anger management requirements, and unpaid fees, but chose to follow the negotiated agreement instead. The court's reasoning focused on giving the defendant access to support through the Special Needs Safety Program, mental health resources, and substance abuse assistance while making clear that future violations could result in a prison sentence. The defendant's emotional reaction and inappropriate language in court demonstrated the importance of understanding courtroom respect and the seriousness of the situation. The broader lesson is that probation is a second chance with strict expectations, and taking responsibility is essential to avoiding more severe consequences.